Hello you lovely people, welcome back to another video. As you can see, at this very moment in time when I'm filming this video, I'm still on holiday. So welcome back to another video, and that's why it looks a bit different. I'm in Mauritius still. Yeah, what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be doing disc and pads all round and a rear ABS sensor on my mum's Audi A3. Yes, mum has got an A3 8P like me, has the 1.8 turbo manual. It's an S-Line Black Edition, to be fair, it's 2012 plate, a very late car, it's a nice car. Anyway, long story short, going to be doing disc and pads all round on it. So yeah, you're either watching to learn or you're watching because you watch the channel, so I appreciate every single one of you, so thank you very much. Not going to waste your time, we're going to get straight to it. Going up Robbie's unit and going to get it jacked up and get the wheels off and crack on. So I'll see you in a bit.
Your mum's chair smells. His face worse than that, is it? Do you what's the evac delete? Evac delete? Yeah. What, a rubber glove?
Well, no, it's got a screw in the pipe and then...
Move rear light.
What was that? It's just stuck in the slider.
What?
Oh, is that top one out now? Oh, what is all that?
Harley Brown videos.
Yeah, funny. What? Ow. One wanted to find out. Yes.
Your dad drives me. You're asking nicely. There's a fucking van outside, you stick.
Oh, you don't drive that? Oh, that's sounds of that van. Right, trust me. When me and Dad was like, what? We smoke.
Fucking, like every fucking rat, I was like, oh, what the fuck is that?
Yeah, yeah, 150. Well, these ones, like, I'm good.
Finish sending me shit now, Carlo. You finish sending me shit now.
Right. Tight. It's going off, isn't it? No, it's going on.
I'll grab some bloody default.
Yeah.
Libra up.
Also, slightly irrelevant, but can we all take a moment to look at how nice Mauritius is place I'm staying. Yeah, if that isn't paradise, I don't know what is. Might be one of my favourite places I've ever been. Palm trees, pool, there's a heated pool around the corner. It's unreal. But yeah, thank you all. Bosh. Also, a little one, hope you all enjoyed the roller footage I got from my mate Harry Hersey the other day. I put his Instagram link in the description below. Got some rollers of the Audi the other day, so I hope you all like them. I think there'll be a few clips, like cut-ups that Charlie's put in between different videos, so I hope you all enjoy them. Anyway, bosh.
Let's have a home scan. That pop.
Where's the Hoover?
I'll get a video later of Rory whipping around the estate in the go-kart.
What about quad bike, Tyler?
Yes! I want a patchy 100, I do.
Anyway, thank you all for watching the video from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm hoping as this video goes live, or before this video goes live, we're at 250 subscribers. And if we are, I thank every single one of you for subscribing and liking the videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. A lot of effort went into this. Massive thank you to Robbie and Summer for giving us a hand. Yeah, as you see, the videos from now on are going to be every Sunday at 6 o'clock. I'm not going to miss an upload, but they're going to be a bit different. Some videos are going to be obviously content on my project car. Some videos content going to be like on other cars, and I'm still going to be doing the buying and selling because that's my main source of what I do. So yeah, keep an eye out for uploads and that, and stay watching. It's only going to get better, like I told you all before. And yeah, anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next Sunday. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you want to find me on Instagram, you know how to find me. Links in the description or at HarleyBrown10, and I'll reply to as many of you as I can. But thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom.